question is, would we move back to Jamaica?
Hell yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
She love turn back we.
Wagwan Sabbies! I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good
A
time?
long time.
We are here for a good time.
A long time.
You guys are requesting this video, special request from you guys, and the video is called
Mukbang, but we're gonna do Jamaican style and we're gonna answer the questions that you guys requested in the comments.
Yeah. So before we get started, go ahead and subscribe if you guys want to be a part of the family. Go ahead and smash that like button right now because you don't know we're Jamaican and we love you guys. We love you guys, or we're gonna spread our culture here right now. So what we got right here, guys, is some curry wood with some rice and peas, with some plantain and yeah, veggies. We actually got the extra one. We don't really eat so much people,
No,
as you know.
Mukbang I think is eating a lot.
Yeah.
One time I think.
Yeah, we're gonna, you know,
We're gonna mix it up.
We're gonna mix it up here. We got oxtail right here, guys. It tastes good. Oxtail, but the price of oxtail is not that good. Okay, but yeah, that's oxtail right here, and we got jerk chicken right here. Danielle requested that we put jerk chicken.
We have to put jerk chicken.
Yeah.
Even though it's not like the real
authentic,
chicken.
jerk chicken. I said jerk. Alright, before we get started, notification gang, notification squad, comment down below, notification Chase. Chase is in the background by the way, guys.
It's just a chair.
Yeah, so if you guys hear some noises, it's because of him. We love you guys, and we're gonna get started. So what Danny is gonna basically do is ask us questions, and yeah, and we eat.
So I wrote down 13 questions from you guys in the comment section of one of our last videos. And I'm gonna ask the questions and then we're gonna answer them. So let's get started. We're gonna start eating first. So what am I gonna eat first? Why did you just take the curry goat piece?
I mean, I just had a big plantain a while ago, guys. Nice!
By the way, we got our food from Dutch Pot.
Yeah. We're not sponsored by Dutch Pot, by the way.
No.
It's just
across the road.
It was just across the road.
Okay, so the first question. How has our relationship changed since Chase?
I don't think it really changed. We actually grew. I think if it's in a good way.
Yeah, we got a lot closer. And I think we learned to communicate more.
Yeah, and
because of Chase.
I feel like, regardless in relationships, you guys are going to argue no matter what. There's always an argument.
And Chad always thinks he's right, and I always think I'm right. So
sometimes you just have to let them be. I'm just saying.
No, I'm right. I'm always the one that's right.
Yo, the rice and peas right now.
I think we've just gotten more paranoid.
I feel like, yeah, because of Chase, we were more paranoid. And, well, I'm an overprotective parent, so it's just like, it's kind of weird.
So, since Chase, I think we're communicating more because we're always like, what you think, what do you think, and
you know, the good thing is that we actually sometimes schedule things, like if alright, Danielle will give me like an hour and Danielle will take an hour for herself. Yeah. Danielle will take a long show sometimes, which is fine. I mean, it's always good.
Are you trying to say that I'm taking too long of a show?
Yeah.
Well, basically before, Chad played video games a lot.
Yeah, which I cut out that now.
So now it's like, okay, you can do 1 hour video games and I can do 1 hour of what I want to do.
Yeah.
So kind of like, exactly.
Exactly.
So we kind of like understand each other more now. We give each other time to do what we like to do at the same time. So I think it's better for us now. Because before, he would just play video games all the time until I just argue with him.
No, I don't. It never gets to that point though. Like,
no.
There's a limit to something. Like Friday nights, I would be playing Fortnite for what, like 3 hours.
Oh my, 3 hours before. You're playing that till 4 o'clock in the morning.
But we have a schedule. We just like stick to that schedule, and then if anything comes up, we just.
Rice all over here.
Yeah, cause then it comes by the way, guys.
What advice would you give your younger self? Me? Do what you want from the start.
That's a strong one right here.
Not listen to anybody.
Don't listen, just listen to yourself. You can hear what people say, you know. Like if somebody's into the field that you are doing or whatever you're doing, like listen to them, like get a feel what
or
it is.
Or you can take everybody's advice,
yeah.
But still at the end of the day, you know what you want.
Yeah, at the end of the day, I feel like you guys just need to just put your mind to it.
And don't let anybody discourage you.
Yeah, don't make nobody discourage you, because, you know, in life, I haven't said my quote of the day. In life, if things get too curry, that means that you need to uncurry it.
That's the worst one to do. I'm like, you're like hogging the curry. Chad's favorite food is curry.
If you guys don't know, curry is like one of my favorite things. But I rarely eat curry from everywhere. Today is just the video I'm doing eating the curry. Because, boy, I'm at the curry shop.
Yeah, it tastes good. The advice would be, follow what you want to do. Take the advice of others, because sometimes maybe it's really good advice and you should listen to it. But at the same time, do what you want to do. As in career, as in all those things. Don't let nothing stop you. Stick
to it and stay on that road.
And just because a lot of people aren't doing it doesn't mean that one day it won't be something.
Don't get me wrong, there's always obstacles in the way. And you just need to just clear your mind and just say you're gonna go over that obstacle and you're gonna keep going. Just drive that car. If it runs by E, just drive that car.
No, please put gas in the car. Please take care. Oh, that's another one. Take care of yourself.
Yes, please take care of yourself. You must always take care of your damn self.
How do you work through hard times? Trust each other.
Yeah.
So normally we're not having a hard time at the same time.
Yeah.
Normally it's like one of us.
And you just have to uplift
the other one has to, like, you know, be positive, because one is probably being negative. So try to stay positive, which is always me.
Yeah, okay. Sometimes Danielle gets really not positive, which is negative.
Miserable, but
yeah, but it's fine. I
think everybody has like this.
You're human and you make mistakes, and sometimes you get frustrated. It's human in you, you know. It's like in you. But so, what I would say though, just stick to it. Like, just put your mind to it, and just, you know, if you're gonna do something, just do it, you know, man.
I think you're going back into the last question.
Yeah, I know. But anyways, I'll say it.
But yeah, so it's work through hard times by just trusting each other. And if one's having a difficult time, the other one has to stay positive. And then just know that the both of us will work through it together.
Yeah.
Next one. Have you ever been to Frenchman's Cove in Jamaica? I don't think so. I don't remember, actually. I don't think so.
If I've been, it's probably a long time ago.
When we were young.
And I didn't know what it was, and I just went there.
But we should visit there.
Alright, you guys been asking this question. I know you guys been asking this question because I see comments.
I answered it already.
I see you guys comment all the time, even when we're doing videos. Where is Danielle's family? Danielle can answer it for you.
So, I think I told you guys, but they're like all over. So my daddy's side is in Canada. My mommy and my little sister, little brother in New York. And then one of my sisters are in Jamaica. I have a few cousins in Florida. But they're like basically spread all over.
Yeah, so basically 3 parts of the world, they're spread out.
So you never really see them like all together at one time.
But they come here.
My sister's coming next week.
Yeah. Your sister's coming next week and your auntie.
Next question is, what inspired us to vlog?
Well, I mean, we just started vlogging out of nowhere.
Yeah, and then we always look for new things to do to the channel. So we're doing a lot of like skits and videos, and then we're like, what else can we do so people can actually like know us?
And I feel like you can relate more with a vlog because you can see what somebody's going through everyday life and stuff like that. I mean, we can vlog every day, but I feel like I start like throwing too much, like, I don't know.
Not only that, is that I'll probably be boring because we don't do much.
Yeah,
that's really, like different.
Yeah. Honestly, it's because it's so limited right now.
And not only that, Chase is so little.
Yeah, we're limited right now. When Chase gets older, we're gonna be doing a lot more fun things.
Yeah, we can cram to do a lot more things. So I think as he gets older, we'll do more vlogs.
And that's the reason why we did vlogs in the first place, because Chase, I wanted Chase to see us as like a happy parents, and when he gets older, how mom was pregnant, and how he was born, and all these things, and see how bad he was, you know, how rude he was. But he's a good boy. He's a good boy.
So yeah, Chase can always look back and watch some of the vlogs and be like, why did you guys put that in?
Yeah. He's gonna feel embarrassed watching these videos, but that's the real reason why we do the vlogs, so you can really watch it, and you guys can watch it and experience our life too as well. Okay,
next question is, do we have challenges while doing videos?
Before we answer that question, are you gonna eat the last plantain?
Take it, because I know you want it.
Because I'm about to clobber it. Stop eating my curry goat.
Guys, he's hugging all the curry.
By the way, the food is really nice.
Yes.
And what's the question?
Do we have challenges when doing videos?
Yes, there's always challenges doing videos, guys. There's so much challenges. And to create new content is hard.
To come up with videos all the time.
Yeah, but sometimes you just have to say, alright, just be natural, just have fun doing the video, because we do really have fun.
And I think in the beginning we were like, oh, we have to do this.
Yeah.
This. And now we're kind of like, just let it like flow.
We just let it flow now, guys. Yeah, I feel like before when we were doing videos, it was hard because we're like, oh, we have to do this, we have to do that.
We have to do it this way, we have to do it that way.
Yeah, I mean, I just let it flow. If you guys see that, I tell you guys, meet Mabugu and...
Oh my god.
I mean, it's just, I'm letting it flow.
Really? Anyways, guys, and another problem for us too while doing videos is lighting.
Yeah, lighting is a problem in this house.
Yeah, because we have our windows tinted, so you can't sit inside. And it's bad because then the sun is like dim.
Yeah.
So we don't get much natural light anymore.
The only way we get natural light is probably from the top of the house. I mean,
in the room.
In the room.
On top of the house.
On top of the house.
I don't know if we film on the top of the house.
We don't.
When was the last time we did a JA trip?
JA trip. We did it one last 2 years.
2 years ago.
Yeah, we went
I
to JA.
last year.
But we went to somewhere secret that we can't tell you guys.
No, I went for my auntie's 50th.
Yeah.
At a hotel in the grill. And that was 2 years ago, but I went after for my brother's graduation. That was last year?
Yeah, that was last year.
That was right before we got pregnant.
Yeah.
Part 2 is when we'll be visiting. So I think we're gonna try and visit in November, but if not, we're going in May.
Yeah. May?
May.
Oh yeah, we have to go for
our
a
wedding.
Yeah.
So we'll definitely be there in May, but November is an option.
Yeah, we're thinking about November too. So yeah, I mean we always want to go to Jamaica, but you know you just have to budget. Budgeting is the key.
And then we kind of want Chase to be a little older before we travel.
Yeah, even that too, cause like traveling with a baby is really hard. I don't know how one person do it like.
And we haven't gotten his passport yet.
Yeah, and we haven't got his passport yet. Oh my god, why you must tell people that?
Because have you ever tried to get a passport photo from a baby? Okay, next one is somebody asked me for my foundation.
Oh, what foundation you use?
NARS.
NARS. I don't even know the
I don't know. I'll link it below because I don't remember like the name, but it's a NARS foundation.
Yeah, man, NARS it up.
Next question is, do we have a new name, new intro?
Yeah, we're still working on the name, but we haven't figured out the intro as yet. But we're still working on the name on intro. As you can see, that Danielle is taking my fairy goat.
So we're still working on it, and someone's gonna be working on our intro to incorporate Chase. So that's done. Once he's done, we're gonna be able to show you guys a new intro, and then when we get a new intro, we'll give you the new name.
Yeah, but so I need you guys to still comment the name.
Yeah, so we need to still comment names just in case.
We're still thinking about it. We don't want to like throw a name and shock you guys.
We definitely want you guys to be the subbies because it just goes together.
We might put up a poll.
Yeah, and see how
and see what you guys pick.
So we'll do like our top 3.
We're gonna do our top 3. So comment down below. We might pick the top 3 best names here and then put it up. So yeah, just go ahead.
How do you feel getting married young? And how do you know wanted to get married?
I don't feel like it's young though. I don't feel like, you know why
I don't think we're young. I think back in the day we used to be like younger.
But I mean, we've been together for 5 years, so I think it's time was right. And it was another thing, I wanted to be married before we had a child. So that was one of my key ingredients of getting this marriage together.
And also, I kind of knew when he bought a ring and he waited like 500 years because he wanted to go back to the specific place.
Guys, it took me forever to get back to this specific place because we had to, honestly, I'll be straight up with you guys. We had to be budgeting. We had to be budgeting to go.
Yeah, we had so many things that we needed to do and everything was happening at one time.
Guys, I had the ring. I had the ring in what, March? March. I bought it in March. Guys, you know how I knew?
Because I think I told you guys already, but he went to the mall with his mommy.
Yeah.
That was like a big indication because Chaddy hates the mall, especially
going with somebody or my mother.
Because when, like, if me and Chad's mom go to the mall, we'll spend like a long time.
You know how women shop though, like, but especially Jamaican mothers, they will go into every store and they go through every store and come out empty-handed. There's nothing they buy. They will spend 7 hours in the mall.
No, that's not like.
It's true. It's true. Comment down below. That's all your mother say. Comment down below right now because it's the truth. I'm sick and tired.
So I kind of had an idea when he bought it, but then because he took so long, I wasn't sure when he was going to do it.
Yeah, and I was waiting for the right time to go back there, but we had to budget then. That's one of the
we normally
reasons.
go for Chad's birthday, so I think it kind of just fell back into place.
Yeah, because we did it in it was
No,
August.
October.
No, August we did it.
Oh, August.
Yeah.
But it's in August, so I think it just happened. I think we're gonna wait till your birthday, and then I think you pushed it up.
Yeah,
August.
I had to push it up too, but no, we were going to Orlando regardless during that time. But it's just that there was so much things going on, and we had to like I said, I keep saying the word budget, but guys, that's a key ingredient to your life. Budget. B-U-D. I don't know the rest of the word. I'm just joking.
No.
I'm just joking.
Okay, so our last question is, would we move back to Jamaica?
Hell yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
We're actually thinking about it because like we kind of feel like the foundation is better when you go to like
I feel like school's
prep school
better.
or primary school, whatever. In Jamaica, like I feel like that school system is like a little bit more how we want Chase to grow, and then come here eventually, so he can finish school here.
Yeah.
But I kind of think like how we were growing.
It's like alright. What I would do if I was like doing everything over again, I would have tried to finish school until like high school, like when it's like you're in 5th form, and then come here.
Your last years.
Yeah, and then you come here, do the like 11th grade, 12th grade, whatever they have here, and then boop, and go to college. And I feel like you can get a scholarship like that and stuff like that. There's so much more opportunities to come here and just like go to college.
But then when you grow like in that system, like in a Caribbean system, I feel like it's like better.
Yeah, that's why.
Not saying the US is bad, but it's just that I think because we grew up that way, we kind of want him to get the same.
Same, like, but I don't know if we can manage the Jamaican heat though. Until like a box of people over there.
Florida's hot too.
Florida's hot too, but I mean it's boxing you over there. Yeah, tough man. Alright guys, I am full. I don't know about you. Are you full? I hope you guys enjoy this video.
I'm gonna eat more curry because I never got any.
Hope you guys enjoy this video. Love you guys. Thank you guys for your love and support. Yeah.
Comment any more questions because we can do mukbang, we can do roti.
Yeah, roti bank. I'm just joking. Trinidad.
Because we love Trini food.
Yeah, we love Trini food by the way.
So we can do another one. We can try another kind of food. Comment down below what kind of food you want us to try. Anything, and we just keep doing mukbangs for you with questions that you guys
actually, yeah, even comment down below what's your favorite Jamaican food right now.
Yeah.
Go ahead and comment down below.
Patty.
Yeah, ooh, that would have shot. And now it's time for notification shout out time.
Okay, first notification goes to Lisa and Jeannie.
Lisa and Jeannie, big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over Daniel's head top right here. Second notification shout out goes to
Deshaun Thompson.
Deshaun Thompson, big up your damn self. Thank you guys for your love and support.
And last but not least, Ken Pottinger.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over Daniel's head top right here. Thank you guys for your love and support again. I can't say this enough because we really appreciate it. Comment down below, notification gang, notification squad. If you guys want to be a part of notification gang, go ahead and subscribe and be a part of it right now. And yeah, we'll see you guys another day.
Tomorrow.
Another day.
We'll see you guys
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Alright guys, peace.